Have you ever dreamed of a YouTube channel that makes money for you? Maybe even while you sleep? But you're thinking, I don't have a camera, I don't have a fancy mic, and I definitely don't have a budget. Well, what if I told you none of that matters anymore? Today, we're going to walk through the exact blueprint to build a fully automated, AI-powered YouTube channel from the ground up for free. Let's get into it.
So let's just ask the big question right up front. Is it really possible to build a profitable YouTube channel without spending a single dollar? You know, a few years ago, that would have sounded like a crazy fantasy. But now with the explosion of these incredible AI tools, the game has completely changed. It's not just possible, it's a system that you can actually start building today.
And this slide, this really puts it all into perspective. The old way? Man, you had to shell out for expensive cameras, you had to be comfortable on screen, and then you'd spend hours, maybe even days, editing everything together. The new AI way? It's a whole different world. We're talking free tools, faceless content, so you never have to show your face, and an automated workflow that does most of the heavy lifting for you.
Okay, first things first. Before we even think about touching any cool AI tools, we have to lay the foundation. And honestly, this is the most important decision you're going to make, choosing your niche. Why? Because the right niche is what makes the whole automation thing actually work.
So, what kind of niches are perfect for this AI-driven approach? Well, 3 really stand out for beginners. First, motivation and self-improvement. These topics tap into things everyone wants, so there's always an audience. Second, you've got facts, history, or mysteries. These are amazing for storytelling that just grabs people and doesn't let go. And finally, tech and AI trends. I mean, this space is booming, and the audience is super passionate. The common thread here? They're all super simple and endlessly repeatable. And that quote right there, that is the absolute secret sauce. Whatever niche you pick, you have to be able to come up with new video ideas for it like forever. We're not trying to create one viral masterpiece. No, we're building a content system that can churn out videos consistently with as little effort as possible. That, right there, is the key to real automation.
All right, we've got our niche picked out. Now it's time for the fun part, building the engine of our channel. We're going to call it the AI Content Factory. So let's roll up our sleeves and see how we assemble this machine piece by piece.
Our little factory has 4 main stations on its assembly line. It's super simple. First station, we write the script. Second, we turn that script into a voiceover. Third, we create all the visuals for the video. And the final station, we design a killer thumbnail that makes people have to click. And the best part? We're going to use free AI tools for every single step.
So, station 1 is the script. And you can forget about staring at a blank page trying to figure out what to say. We're going to let a large language model like ChatGPT or Claude do all the hard work. Seriously, with the right prompt, you can have a script that's ready to go in less than a minute. And check this out. These are the magic words right here. This prompt is a game changer because it's built specifically for how people watch YouTube. See how it asks for a specific length, a storytelling tone, and, this is crucial, a hook in the first 5 seconds? That's how you stop people from scrolling and get them to actually watch your video. Okay, script is done. Now we need a voice. But nope, we are not recording a single word ourselves. Instead, we're heading to station 2, where we'll use a free AI tool to generate a super high-quality, natural-sounding voiceover. It's kind of wild how good these have gotten. Some of the best free options out there right now are tools like 11 Labs, which is known for its ridiculously realistic voices. You've also got Play.h and TTS Maker, which give you a ton of variety. My advice, play around with them. Find a voice that really fits the vibe of your channel. And here's a pro tip. Once you find a voice you love, stick with it. That consistency helps build your channel's brand. Now for the visuals. I know, this is the part where a lot of people get overwhelmed and just give up. But it's so much simpler than you think. We're just going to combine some cool AI-generated clips with a massive library of totally free, professional-quality stock footage. It's like painting by numbers. So, you basically have 2 options here. You can use awesome text-to-video AI tools like Pika Labs or Runway to create totally unique clips from scratch. Or you can just grab amazing-looking, copyright-free video clips from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Mixkit. Then you just drop them into a free editor like Clipchamp or CapCut and stitch them all together with your voiceover. Done. And here we are at the final station of our content factory, the thumbnail. You got to think of this as your video's billboard on the YouTube highway. It doesn't matter how amazing your video is if nobody clicks on it, right? And thankfully, AI can help us create something that really pops.
You can use free tools like Canva's AI features or even the Bing Image Creator to make incredible eye-catching images. Just remember the simple rules for a great thumbnail. Use faces that show a strong emotion, use big, bold text that's easy to read even on a phone, and use bright, high-contrast colors. That's how you get the click.
So, our AI content factory is officially built. We can now produce videos. But here's where the real magic happens. It's time to systemize the whole process so the channel pretty much runs itself. This is how we put this whole thing on autopilot.
And guess what? The most powerful automation tool you have is already built right into YouTube, and it's totally free. It's the scheduler. This little feature is everything. It means you can create a bunch of videos at once, like a whole month's worth, upload them all in one go, and then just tell YouTube when you want them to go live.
And this is the workflow. It's a beautiful, simple loop. 1, you batch create your content. Maybe spend a Saturday making all your videos for the month. 2, you schedule all of them to be uploaded automatically. And 3, you just check in once a week to see what's working, and then you just do more of that. That's it. That's the system.
Okay, so your system is up and running, your channel is on autopilot. Now it's time to think bigger. Let's talk about how you scale this thing from a cool side hustle into a real, honest-to-goodness passive income machine.
Scaling really comes down to two things: consistency and optimization. First, just keep that automated schedule going. Consistency is king on YouTube. Next, really dive into your analytics. See what topics are getting the most views and just make more videos like those. Once you have an audience, you can add affiliate links in your descriptions for extra income or even create simple digital products to sell.
This quote just says it all, doesn't it? The future of YouTube is automation. The huge barrier that used to stop people from becoming creators, it's just gone. The tools are here, they're free, and all it takes is a good system and your creativity to tell the AI what to do.
So there you have it. That's the blueprint. Every tool, every step, every strategy you need to build a channel that can make you money, all for $0. The AI revolution is here and it's waiting for you. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?